We're back. Welcome to my childhood bedroom. I feel like this angle is so weird. Yes, we're here at home in Portland, Oregon, and as you guys know, we're all quarantined. We're all looking for stuff to do. One of the biggest things that was on my to-do list was going through this entire room. There just is such random stuff that accumulates here. It's all the stuff that, for the most part, I don't like to wear or that's out of season. It's currently 2:37. I'm gonna try to get this done by 6, and I'm literally gonna go through every single thing I own in this bedroom. Every drawer. The closet is a mess. Let me just show you a little bit of the before. So the first thing that I want to tackle is this dresser, because this has just become the most random place. There is absolutely no organization. I mean, this was organized at a point, but I could go through so much of this and just clean it up. This is the worst drawer. I have so many swimsuits in here that I have never gone through because I've literally saved them from early high school. So this needs to be condensed, and then a bunch of my stuff's in the laundry right now, but I have so many of these t-shirts that are all very meaningful to me. However, I just don't have space for them anymore. So I'm gonna try to go through that. This is my middle school makeup collection. Some of this stuff is ridiculously old and I just need to go through it. All of this is gonna be toned down dramatically. This is the worst drawer, honestly. I don't like to look at this drawer. It's a lot going on there. The structure of the organization was here in this room at some point, so we're just gonna try to get it back to that point. That really just requires a lot of purging. So we have this quite the tumble there. We have this box to be my Goodwill donation box. Goodwill is currently not accepting donations, so I'm actually gonna have to hold on to all my stuff until they open up again. Still gonna go through it. Can we just appreciate how large this bag is? This is gonna be for all the stuff that I could potentially resell. We're gonna get started. I hope you guys put this video up and start the organizing process in your own room so that we can organize together. I'm probably gonna time lapse a little bit of this, and then I will also take you guys along for more of the process.
You got them eyes looking through to the sunrise. It's too easy, man, it's plain to see. You're making my dreams come alive in the nighttime. Your body making room up in my memory, yeah. Baby, you're an angel.
So far we've gone through 3 drawers. I'm feeling good. We've reached one of the most annoying drawers. This is like my sock and underwear drawer with random tights and other stuff that I've had for a long time, and I've just never gone through it. Our first item that we have here is a pair of black shorts back when I was a dancer. I'm feeling like it's time to part ways with these. My booty short days are over, you know. I am gonna save though. Look, these are like my old, do any dancers know what these are? They're like the foot underwear thing. Kind of weird, but if I ever want to wear them. I also have a Leo. Oh, the strap is broken. Oh, we can get rid of this. I probably haven't worn this since I did like literal dance recitals at 11 years old. Oh my god. This has to be from a costume, or at least I want to say that they are. I have my leg warmers. I really don't think I will ever wear these again. Oh, my brownie thing. But this isn't my official brownie vest because I have the sash that has all my patches on it. We're gonna give this to my mom. Oh, we've got another pair of foot underwear. I think I'm gonna get rid of these. Okay, now I feel stupid keeping this Leo. Honestly, when am I ever going to dance again in the leotard that I wore when I was 12? We're throwing it away. This is so exciting. All right, we've got some random socks here. We've got some tights. Not that I wear tights much. Well, these are kind of like ratted and gross. We're gonna get rid of these. I have 3 pairs of black tights. Do I want ribbed or do I want striped? Honestly, these are warmer. I don't even wear tights. I don't even know why I'm talking to myself about this. We're just gonna keep the warmer pair. Oh, look what we have here. A scarf. I honestly don't really wear scarves, but this is kind of cute. If I ever did wear a scarf, would I wear this? I used to wear these tank tops from BP and I would layer them to be like 4 layers thick, and I used to be known as the tank top girl. We no longer have a use for you. Anyone remember when wearing these Nike Elite socks, like these boy socks, were super in as a girl? Like if you were gonna work out and wear your Nike shorts, you were gonna wear the matching Elite socks. I really don't have a use for these anymore, especially this pair. Comment down below if you remember these socks. I can finally throw away the socks that never found a match. I think I'm gonna go through the rest of this drawer and I will get back to you guys when we're going through the next one. I'm just gonna make a pile of all of like my newer swimsuits that I actually wear. And that's just step one so that we can see what we have. I have a ton of Victoria's Secret swimsuits from forever ago. Oh, I don't really like that one that much anymore. This one I don't really wear that much, but it is really nice for tanning because it's pretty much my only strapless bikini. Oh, I think I wore this for 4th of July one year. I don't really know if this goes with anything that I have in my collection right now. It also kind of falls off a little bit, which is a little bit risky. This is the most random thing that's in this drawer. Wetsuit pants. I won't even go wakeboarding until it's warm enough because I had like one little incident where I was literally wakeboarding in October. I was so cold I couldn't even speak or move. Hence the wakeboard pants. I probably should have like a top that goes with that, but I don't. These are my surfer shorts. When I'm a surfer girl, literally once a year, I can only catch like 2 waves. I think I'm gonna put my favorite swimsuits in the front compartment, and then the ones that I don't get to as much or that have like random pieces that aren't sets in the back. I'm gonna do that and organize all of these, and then if there's anything else that I can get rid of, I will. But I pretty much just got rid of all of my swimsuits from middle school and early high school. These are the shirts that are so hard for me to get rid of. These are my bid day shirts. Do I make them into one of those quilt things? Like, I just am torn. I don't know what to do. I don't want to get rid of it. This one even has a hole in it. Oh, someone's calling. The phone number is all zeros. I feel like that's kind of sketch for me to answer. Hello?
Well, good luck spring term, and I hope everything continues to go over the wall.
Oh my god, that was University of Oregon. That was really weird, and I can't believe I picked it up. They called to check in on all of us students out here. You know, school's going great. Love this. This is one of my first University of Oregon shirts, but I literally never wear it. These are so sentimental. I think I'm gonna pile all these sentimental things up because I just genuinely don't know what to do with them. I just found an earring backing. This is the finished drawer so far. It actually looks really nice. I still have some space to put all my stuff that's in the laundry in here. It finally can close on its own. Here's our last drawer of this dresser. Let's do this. The dresser is officially complete. I went through every single drawer. It's time for the closet. So this is basically what my closet looks like now. It's honestly because I don't have enough hangers to be able to hang up all the stuff, and I didn't really want to buy more hangers because I feel like I should just be able to go through stuff that I already have and get rid of it. And then I have like my backpack in here and a bunch of random stuff. I'm basically going to take everything out of this closet right now and put it into piles so that I can get in here and start sorting the clothes.
It's been a day, stressing out like crazy. Just wanna be lazy with my girls. It's been a day, we gonna get wavy. Layer on some diamonds and some pearls.
Urban Outfitters is having this bomb sale. I saw these Doc Martens sandals on there. They were 50% off. They do look kind of big, and usually Doc Martens you have to size down, but they didn't have the size that I would size down to. Let's see if the shoe fits. They're bad. These are the shoes. I don't think that they're going to work for us today. They literally make me look like Bigfoot. These will be returning to the store. So before we actually get into the nitty-gritty closet going through, I have one more project. I actually don't have a closet door, and that's because I took it off so that I could have more space in my room. I replaced it with these curtains that are so long, and I had to tie them in a knot. Well, I always trip over this knot, and it's so annoying. We're gonna fix that. Don't they like cut hair like this? That looks so janky. It really doesn't have to be perfect. If you guys actually want to do this right, I recommend like putting this on a table. One side is done. I'm gonna do this with the other side. Guys, I messed up. Okay, I don't recommend doing this at home. Please do not take my advice on this. See how uneven this is? It goes all the way up over there. Good thing it's on the floor, and hopefully no one's gonna be looking at the floor. So this part honestly is kind of the hardest because my closet at home has a bunch of stuff that I'm saving that's kind of professional-ish. She's going. Say goodbye to her. Yeah, we can get rid of these. I do like this skirt a lot. So this one can go. See, this is why I need Katie here, because she keeps me in control. I might have to save this one for the time being. I do really like this skirt. I can just hear Katie being like, why did you save that? Oh, both of these can go. I'm so proud of myself. I did not need to keep those. This can go. Cue the time lapse. My closet is is officially complete. I started tidying up a little bit around my room so it's not so much of a disaster, but I actually have to take a break because it's my mom's birthday and she's actually not here right now because she's an essential worker. I don't want her to know that I'm sneaking around getting her stuff for her birthday. So I'm gonna try to go brace the store and get her some flowers and maybe a cake if they have one. Guys, it feels so good to be outside. The grocery store was a success. I got 2 bags of groceries and the flowers for my mom for her birthday. Quick shout out to all the people who are working in grocery stores right now and the people here at this Trader Joe's were so nice. Everyone else is just like high stress and it is really weird in the world that we're living in where we don't make eye contact or even smile to one another. I was trying to be really good about smiling to people around me because there's no rules against that. I'm gonna go home now and put all this stuff away and then finish up my room organizing project. The easiest thing for me to get started to do is to go through my polish collection. Some of this polish is crazy old. I think when it does that, that's when it's time to go. Kind of the case for a lot of my polishes. So I'm gonna go through this and I got a bunch of new nail polish that I'm gonna put up and organize. Let's do it.
Summer day in June, said you were headed on your way to Malibu. You've never been, but you always wanted to. You moved out from the East Coast, California snow. You couldn't handle all the winter and the snow. So there's a lot of things you're trying to do.
Finished going through all of the stuff that I don't want in all of these drawers. Things are looking much more organized. I even organized my samples, which is really nice because then I can actually start using them up. This is a pretty random drawer and there's also a lot of documents in here that I need to go through. So this is my document organizer. I really recommend you guys start building one of these because it's really helpful. I'm gonna go through this drawer, try to clean it out to the best of my ability and file this stuff away. It's much later now and my camera actually died, so I decided to finish the project on my own. I went through this entire dresser. I'll give you guys a little peek. I know it looks like there's a lot of stuff and it's disorganized, but this is actually much better than it was before. Sometimes everything doesn't look super Pinteresty. This is my jeans drawer with all my shorts and some of my different crop tops and stuff that doesn't need to hang. And then finally, we have my technology drawer, which although again, it looks chaotic, it's actually very organized. That is the complete finished organized room. I'm planning on filming a room tour of this room since I never have filmed an updated one. I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Today's comment of the day is gonna be, what is your #1 organizational hack or motivation to start cleaning? For me, I love drawer organizers. I also get a ton of questions of where I get mine, and I get most of them at either the Container Store or at IKEA. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.